Welcome back, travelers. I am excited to share with you an incredible event that you wouldn't want to miss, the Cannstatter Volksfest 2023. This annual 3-week festival is considered the second largest beer celebration in the world and attracts millions of visitors around the globe. Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to have a fantastic time at Cannstatter Volksfest 2023? Let's get started. Get ready for the ultimate celebration in Stuttgart, Germany. Cannstatter Volksfest 2023 has everything you need for a good time, from thrilling rides to delicious beer and food. Join me on this adventure and let's discover what this incredible festival has to offer. Cannstatter Volksfest, or the Stuttgart Beer Festival, is an autumn fair that takes place at the Cannstatter Wiesen every year, from late September to early October, spanning over 3 weekends and ending on the second Sunday of October. With so much to see and explore, it's best to plan your visit to Cannstatter Volksfest ahead of time. And that's why I am here to guide you with tips, facts, and fun. A bit of history before we jump into what the festival has to offer. Let's know a bit of the rich history behind the Cannstatter Volksfest. Cannstatter Volksfest began its journey more than 200 years ago in 1818. The festival was a combination of a Volksfest and a land festival with horse racing and prize distribution for excellence in livestock breeding. The aim was to revive the damaged Württemberg economy after the Napoleonic Wars. What to expect at Cannstatter Volksfest 2023? Now that we've learned a bit about the history of the Cannstatter Volksfest, let's explore what the festival has to offer. You can expect a lot of fun and excitement at the Cannstatter Volksfest 2023 festival, such as traditional carousels, modern and thrilling rides, cozy beer tents, and lots of delicious German food. All attractions are designed to cater to visitors of all ages. From the adrenaline rush of the Cannstatter Höhenflug to the calming Ferris wheel, there is something for everyone. Tents of fun and celebration. The Festzelte, beer tents, is one of the main attractions of the festival. The Festzelte is where you can fully immerse yourself in the traditional German beer and feasting culture. You'll be able to try the famous rotisserie chicken, pork knuckles, and even vegetarian dishes. Please keep in mind that the admission is free to all tents, but reservations may require an additional cost. Stroll around the Festplatz, fairground. Apart from the Festzelte, there are innumerable stalls that cater to various interests. You can take a stroll around the Festplatz and indulge in a fun time playing games and winning prizes. Before you pack your bags and head over to Stuttgart, let me share some tips and hacks for your visit. It's always better to pre-book your reservations in advance to avoid long waiting periods. The tents usually close once they reach full capacity, so it's better to arrive early. The festival site spans over a large area, so it's advisable to come in comfortable footwear. 4. It's best to avoid driving into Cannstatter Wiesen, which has limited parking. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.